Hello students, today's class it is chapter 6, the junk seller. Now in last class we learned about some multiplication examples of multiplication, and in that class we learned about how to find out the product of given number by expanding greater number with the help of box multiplication method. Okay. Now in today's class it is about our word problem, and this word problem are related to our what? Rate list. See, today's heading is index is as like rate list. So what is rate beta? What is rate list? Rate means the price of any atom at the per piece, per kg, like that. Yeah, per atom. The price of atom at per piece, per kg. This is called rate of that atom or this rate of this atom. Now the rate list. So what is rate list? The list in which it is mentioned the name of atoms and their rate for per kg or per piece. This list is called rate list. उस लिस्ट को बोलते हैं हम rate list. See, Dinu has displayed the rate list. Dinu ने rate list को display किया है. Dinu has displayed the rate list. Display किया means what? Display means show किया या फिर कहीं पर उसने ऐसे टांग दिया, रख दिया ताकि सबको दिखाई दे. Display किया. Try to show it. Okay. So Dinu has displayed the rate list of which he buy the junk from junk collector. जो डिफरेंट जंक कलेक्टर से उन जंक कलेक्टर से उसने मतलब जो डिफरेंट एटम एट डिफरेंट रेट जो बाय करेगा वट एवर डिफरेंट एटम ही विल बाय फ्रॉम दैट डिफरेंट कलेक्टर. सो एट व्हाट रेट ही विल बाय दैट रेट लिस्ट इज मतलब डिस्प्ले देयर. नाउ सी दिस इज रेट लिस्ट. इट इज फर्स्ट कॉलम सीरियल नंबर 1 2 3 4 5. देन काइंड ऑफ जंक इट इज वेस्ट पेपर, न्यूज़पेपर, iron, brass and plastic. These are the name of your junk. And see, price per kg, it is rupees 10 per kg, rupees 11 per kg, rupees 17 per kg, rupees 170 per kg, it is rupees 9 per kg. So, this kind of junk, it is waste paper, it is rupees 10 per kg. Then it is newspaper, it is 11 rupees per kg. Iron, it is rupees 17 per kg. Then it is brass, it is 170 per kg. And see, it is plastic, rupees 9 per kg. Now, with the help of this rate list, we have to find out the answer find out total amount of some questions here. Here some different weight. Now, see what is question. Calculate the total money that Dinu pays for. Calculate the total money that Dinu pays for. First one, 22 kg of plastic. Now, how much money will be paid? Dinu will pay for the 22 kg of the plastic that we have to calculate here. But how to calculate this? This we have to calculate with the help of what is the rate of plastic per kg. What is the per kg rate of the plastic? So for the information of per kg of the plastic, we have to again see this rate list. See, it is plastic. The rate is rupees 9 per kg. Now see, it is plastic. पर केजी कितना बेटा? रुपीज 9. क्या है? पर केजी इट इज रुपीज 9. देन टोटल केजी कितना है यहां पर? इट इज 22 केजी. 22 केजी. एंड देन सी टोटल अमाउंट. व्हाट? टोटल अमाउंट. सो व्हाट इज टोटल अमाउंट? इट इज 22 into 9. 22 into 9. So see, 22 into 9 क्या होगा? 9 2s are 18. It is carry 1. 9 2s are 18 plus 1 9. It is 198. So what is this? It is rupees 198. 198. See, 22 kg of plastic. Per kg it is 9. Total kg is 22 kg. And total amount that will be, we have to multiply this 22 by 9. So 22 into 9, see again here 22 into 9, 9 to the 18, carry 1, 9 to the 18 plus 1, 19, it is 198. So what is this? It is the total amount of rupees 22 kg of plastic at the rate of rupees 9. So this way we can calculate the total amount of any weight by given rate, by multiplying the given rate per kg rate. Now next question. See, so what is this? It is about 29 kg of waste paper. Now in this example we have to find out the total amount for 29 kg of waste paper. See, weight is given here, but rate of this waste paper it is not given in your question. So to calculate total amount here, again we have to see here our rate list. See, waste paper, the price per kg it is rupees 10. It is rupees 10. So what we have to write here? See, per kg कितना है? रुपीज 10. पर kg कितना है? रुपीज 10. Then see total weight या टोटल kg. टोटल kg कितना है बेटा? पर kg रुपीज 10. टोटल kg कितना है? 29 kg. ओके, टोटल kg है 29 kg. एंड देन टोटल अमाउंट. Total amount. See, total amount. Now, how much rupees we have to pay here? Total amount will be 29 into 10. 29 into 10. Now, multiply this 29 by 10. 10 nines are 90. Carry 9 here. 10 to the 20 plus 9 is 290. It is 290. Okay? See. So what is this? It is the cost of 29 kg, total amount of 29 kg waste paper at the rate of rupees 10 per kg. Next, 41 kg of iron. 41 kg of iron. So see, you know what the weight of iron here? It is 41 kg. But do you know what is the rate of iron per kg rate? No. To know this, we have to see this again rate list. See, this is iron and the price per kg it is rupees 17. It is rupees 17. So see, per kg equal to rupees 17. Then total kg equal to कितना है यहाँ पर बेटा? 41 kg. It is 41 kg. Now total amount. टोटल अमाउंट है इट इज 41 इंटू 17. क्या होगा? 41 इंटू 17. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई है 41 इंटू 17. मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए. सी 7 वन जार 7, 7 फोर जार 28. 7 वन जार 7, 7 फोर जार 28. नाउ 1 वन जार 1 and 1 four जार 4. 1 four the 4. Now see, it is 7, then it is 9, it is 6. So what is this? It is rupees 697. So what is this? Per kg it is 17. Total kg 41 kg. Total amount 41 into 17. So it is 697. 697. So this is the cost of the total amount for 41 kg of iron at the rate of rupees 17. At the rate of rupees 17. Okay. Now next. See, it is 30 kg of iron and 15 kg of brass. Now in this example we have to find out the total cost of 2 atoms here. It is 30 kg iron, which is 1 atom, and here it is another is brass. So first of all we will find out about one, that is iron. You know, in this example number C only we discuss what is the rate of iron here. It is rupees 17 per kg. Iron it is rupees per kg 17 and total weight कितना है इसका? And total kg it is equal to 30 kg. Now total amount equal to 30 into 17. चलिए आइए फिर 30 into 17 करते हैं बेटा. हम यहाँ पर 30 into 17 करते हैं. Once again you do like this. चलिए 30 into 17. 0, 21, then see 0, it is 3. It is 3, then see 0, 1 and it is 5. 510. So what is this? It is rupees 510. Now what is this 510? This amount rupees 510 is what? It is the amount, the cost, total amount of 30 kg of iron. 30 kg of iron. Next, it is brass. It is about brass. तो सिर्फ पर केजी क्या होगा? ब्रश का पर केजी क्या है? रुपीज 170. देन टोटल केजी कितना ब्रश का रखा? हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट अबाउट 15 kg. It is 15 kg. 15 kg. Next, per kg 170. Total kg यहाँ पर 15 kg. Now total amount. Total amount कितना होगा? 170 into 15. 170 into 15. So see, it is 170 into 15. Now multiply this. 170 into 15. Now see, 500, 7 5s are 35, carry 3, 5 1s are 5 plus 3, 18. Yes, 500, 5 7s are 35, carry 3 plus 1, 5 1s are 8. Now see, it is 0, 7 1s are 7, 1 1s are 1. Now it is 0, 5, 50 and 1 plus 1, 2. It is 2550. 2550. So this is rupees 2550. Okay? 2550. Now grand total of this both atom. See, grand total means दोनों का एडिशन कीजिए. First one is 510. It is, what is this first 510? It is the total amount for 30 kg of iron. And now the second one is rupees 2550. 2550. What is this 2550? It is the total amount for what? 15 kg of iron at the rate of rupees 170. So now add these two numbers like this, 2550 and it is 510. See, 0, 6, 10, carry 1, it is 3. So what is this? 3060. 3060. So see, grand total equal to rupees 510 plus rupees 2550, then equal to rupees 3060. 3060. Now next, now 15 kg of newspaper and 21 kg of plastic. Of 21 kg of plastic. तो see, newspaper. तो newspaper का रेट क्या है बेटा? Per kg. Again you can see your list. It is rupees 11. Rupees 11. Next, total weight. या total kg कितना है? Total kg here we have to find out about what? It is 51 kg. Then total amount. It is 51 into 11. 51 into 11. So see, 51 into 11. Now 1 1s are again here like this. 165. 561. It is rupees 561. Now what is this 561? This is the total amount for 51 kg of newspaper at the rate of rupees 11. Now second item is 21 kg of plastic. Now here we have to find out about plastic. Again see, per kg कितना है बेटा? रुपीज 9. पर kg कितना है? रुपीज 9. Then total kg 21. Total kg कितना है? 21 kg. Then total amount. total amount 21 into 9 then equal to multiply कीजिए अभी. See 21 into 9 कीजिए. 9 1 जा 9, 9 2 जा 18. It is rupees 189. 189. Okay. So what is this? 189. Now grand total. ग्रैंड टोटल कितना होगा देखिए यहाँ पर. इट इज रुपीज 561 प्लस रुपीज 189. 189. Now add this number 561 plus 189. 189. 9 plus 1 10. Carry 1. Carry 1. Then 6 plus 8 14 plus 1 it is 15. Again carry 1. Then 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. It is 750. It is 750. So this is the total cost of 51 kg of newspaper and 21 kg of plastic. So this way in today's class we discuss about our rate list and how to find out the total amount for the different weight at different rate. Okay. Thank you.